Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, well, the fact that it looks like the DTV, I don't know how to put this other than there's an interpretation of a quote I'm going to get to that led me to believe that maybe what I predicted some 9 months, a year ago about how the DTV could operate, not so much a year ago, but about 8 months ago when I said, hey, okay, the DTV, it can be issued by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, but it's immigration that ultimately will deal with it in country here in Thailand. Some things that we've recently seen pop up with regard to some statements regarding changes at immigration lead me to believe we may see some issues with DTVs. I don't know. I'm not claiming to know, but just let's review it here. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Online TM6 Form for Visitors to Thailand Coming on May 1. Quoting directly, Mongkorn Wimonrat, the ministry's deputy permanent secretary, said the government would prioritize the digital TM6 before adopting other types of entry screening planned earlier to prevent confusion among tourists. So, okay, one, we saw them talking about doing this DTV and then it would hook up to this TIS, Thailand Immigration System, or Thailand Immigration Service, depending on, I read different things in a couple of places when they were first talking about that. It seemed to have percolated down to service or system. But that being said, fine, the Thailand immigration system is being sort of set aside, as we discussed in other videos, in favor of this so-called of this new TM6. So they're doing that, but then they're using vague words here. Again, quoting further, and they start quoting sources in the background here, so take it for what it's worth. Quoting further, implementing another pre-screening measure such as an electronic travel authorization, which some countries have used to enable visa-free travelers to gain approval prior to arriving in the country, would also be delayed to pave the way for the online TM6 process to operate smoothly, said the source. Let me repeat that. Such as an electronic travel authorization, which some countries have used to enable visa-free travelers to gain approval prior to arriving in the country. Are they talking about the DTV? Because that's how it works. It's digital, and it only interacts with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. As we discussed, again, 9 months ago, it doesn't interact directly with Interior. Interior hasn't talked about it. In fact, I've made videos talking about the silence is deafening. I don't know exactly what this means. Stay tuned. It looks like, as per usual, we're in a new year, and with New Year's, we usually get some changes, at least cosmetically, to things at Thai immigration. That being said, we'll keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.